Hello, I'm Tiki Hines, and I'm here to present Let's Move lesson plan. It's a science lesson dealing with the course of study identifying organ systems, their major organs, and their functions. For Explore, we started out with a KWL chart, and the students completed the K and the W portion of the KWL chart on Wall-Wisher. Created two posts, and one post the students buddied up and they talked about what they knew, and they posted their thoughts on the Wall-Wisher on what they want to know, or know what they know. And the second Wall-Wisher was what they want to know, what things they wondered about, questions that they had, and they posted those ideas on the second Wall-Wisher. For the Engage, we participated in a routine that First Lady Michelle Obama initiated, Let's Move, and we do that routine every day. And so I decided to connect it to the lesson where the students completed the dance routine, and then they were posed the question, what organ systems would be involved in helping you to complete the routine? And so the students went back to their computers with their partner, and they discussed at least 3 organ systems that were involved to help them to complete the routine. And those 3 organ systems and the organs and the functions and that played a role in the routine were posted on the blog for the students to read and share their thoughts. When we did the explain portion of the lesson, or explanation for the lesson, we came back in small groups and we looked at some nonfiction books on the human body. We looked at some websites on the human body, and they used the information to research and complete a diagram to identify the major organ systems, the organs, and the functions. Now we're going to extend it by assigning the students to small groups, and they're going to be assigned organ systems where they're going to complete profiles of that organ system, the major organs and their functions, on Glockster. So they're going to create posters to talk about each of the organ systems. So they'll be experts. We're going to extend that a little further where they'll identify any kind of diseases that might affect that organ system. And they will research more on how to treat and prevent those diseases in each of their respective organ systems. And we will evaluate their work in 2 ways. They will present their information with their large group and sharing what they've learned about their organ system using rubrics to talk about the knowledge that they've gained. And they will also be assessed by a paper pencil test to identify whether they understand what those organ systems are, what organs are included in that organ system, and their function. I'm not just educating 5th graders just to complete the 5th grade curriculum. I want them to learn things that will help them to develop as productive adults. And what better way to educate them on their body and connect it to what they're interested in and their learning styles. Most of the students are interested in technology, so why not utilize technology to help them learn something that I know is important to them.